Welcome to Database Solution. Hope you are doing well. Objective of this video to see the rejected record while loading data from internal stage to table using copy into command. One request viewer, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Now let's get started and create fresh table and with following table structure. So let's execute to create this table. Here I am creating fresh table. Let us see table is created successfully. Let us see the data file available in this internal stage. Two data file available. One data file contain error and other data file does not contain any error. Here I am using this statement to load data and see the error occur in this data file. Here I am using copy into command and this is my fully qualified table name and this is internal stage data file available and file format CSV field denominator comma and we want to skip first header, so we use here skip header equal to 1 and we use here pattern order. This is wildcard because this file name is order, so we use here order to load what file at a time. So first see validation mode equal to return error. If this file contain any error, so this statement return error. So here is two errors, 60 and 50 does not recognize for profit column because profit column here we put here data type equal to integer, so it's not able to convert text value to integer, so it's written conversion error. Okay, we want to store this error into table, this record, so we use here select rejected record, this column from table we use here last result scan and last query id. We can also use query id from here, so let's copy query id to our example. Here I am copy here for reference. Now let's load this into creating rejected temp table. Okay, so rejected temp table created and also see once again with query id putting here and we see again this rejected record. So let's wait for the records. Here you can see again rejected record. Let's validate. You can see here rejected record. We further proceed and separate using split part function. Now first let us understand using on error and we load here all data file available in this internal stage to this order table. So we use here on error continue so that any error occur continue to load. Okay, so let's execute. Here this file partially loaded because there is two error, so 1000 row passed and 998 row loaded and there is two error. Okay, in profit column. Okay, and here this file does not contain any error, so loaded fully. Here 1500 row pass and 1500 row loaded successfully. We can also see using this validate command, so there is two error 60 and 50. We can also create. Okay, so here is this record and this record give error because 60 and 50 does not able to convert numeric to integer data type. Okay, so let's see the error. We want to create this record into separate table, so here I am using a split part. This split the all comma separated value into different column, this using this function. So we select here select split part rejected record, this is the column name. What we want to separate delimiter here using comma and this is the first part order, then this is second, so we use here second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. There is sixth column, sixth separated value, so we use here comma separated and we use here first part second part as a first part order id, second part amount, and then profit quantity, category and subcategory from rejected temp table, and we create here create or replace. This is the optional command, and this is the table we want to create rejected record rejected table as this. So let's execute. Table is created and let us see. Let's have a look how this store this rejected record into separate table. So 60 and 50 does not recognize, does not able to load this record. Okay, so that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.